Hello and welcome to today's video, which is going to be confusing because it's the June ScrawlrBox, and today I know is the 3rd of July, but mine has only just arrived today. We did get an email saying that there was a delay at customs for one of the items, so I've been quite excited to get this box. And with the new design, this rip bit's not quite so easy anymore. There we go. We did have an exciting live last night with ScrawlrBox. They do a live usually the last Thursday of the month, but last week, because it was like an absolute heat wave in the UK, they didn't do it last week, they did it last night. And it was Peter Draws. That was who we had, and he was very good fun. So let's see what we've got this month. Something has sneaked its way into my magazine. Oh, okay. Let's put that to one side. So it does look like it's a black and white theme. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Josh Hernandez, known professionally as Mad Charcoal. I guess we've got charcoal then. I've never heard of this brand. An American artist recognised for expressive charcoal portraiture. Oh, there's Josh's social media accounts there. But that is stunning. And I imagine very messy. We have got drawing paper, quite nice thick, 130 GSM, 10 sheets. I always love how they coordinate everything together. So what is this then? Ultra fine pastel material designed for the discipline of drawing. Okay, is it just one colour? I think it is. It looks like a makeup thing. This is going to get messy. I just know it's going to get messy. Yep, looks like a makeup thing. Oh, yep. Very black, very messy. I do actually, luckily enough, have some cotton wool buds. I was doing some painting with them the other day. Okay. So let's see what we have in here. It's quite a dark box considering we're at the peak of summer. Expect nice bright light colours. Oh, okay. I don't know what I was expecting this month, but I was not expecting this. Oh, lovely kneaded eraser. I love these with the Mad logo on it. Is this his brand then, I guess? Blackjack Sweetie. I used to love those as a kid. The sticker, the blending stump. I'm suffering with hay fever at the moment, so excuse me if I cough and splutter. Yeah, blending stump again with the logo on it. We've got one of these gizmos which I know people use for pan pastels. These little bits fit over the end and then you can blend with them. So it's a blending tool. I like to think this was a stick of rock or something, but I suspect it's going to be a huge chunk of charcoal. Fair play to ScrawlrBox. It's a while since we've had really messy supplies. And I'm not sure, well, certainly in the time I've been subscribing, I don't think we've ever had just an all charcoal box. All one colour black charcoal box. Yep, it's a stick of charcoal. Surprised it's made it here in one piece. I do actually have a big stick of charcoal. I always like looking at that end of it, look. That's a chunky one though. Probably shouldn't have picked that up. Okay. So, his name is Josh Hernandez. Mad Charcoal. I'm going to have to go and look him up. And it does look like he does sell his own art materials there. So, he's probably a really famous person. I've just never heard of him. Let's have a look at the Scrawlzine. I have to put that under a book to get it flat again, I think. So the stick is organic charcoal. Sweet tree. It just tells you all about the supplies. This is carbon black, super smooth, easy to apply to the page without using your fingers. Huh? Hold on. I didn't get a pencil. No. I didn't get a Derwent charcoal pencil. Well, that's it. I've failed the box. I will message them. It's definitely not there, though. I do have some charcoal pencils, I think, somewhere. It's the first time I've ever had a box and not had something in it. It's interesting. Okay, here's a picture of Josh. And a little bit about his life, paper that he uses. Like papers with enough tooth to hold layers but still allow movement. On larger works, I often choose heavier archival paper. It's just stunning, the detail that you can get. I'm going to have to look him up. So, some basic tips about how to use it. Hairspray, yeah, I've got some of that in the cupboard. I only use it for artwork. How to use soft brushes or old stiff brushes. Very interesting. And then this is a deep dive about how to go about creating something with the charcoal. A bit about behind the artwork. Let accidents happen, some of your best marks will be unplanned. Yeah. Actually, I remember going through a charcoal phase a few years ago, probably like 6 years ago now. And I did some really lovely pieces with it. So, yeah. So this was not last box, but the box before, box 128, where we had the lovely professional watercolour paints from Winsor & Newton. It was a lovely colour palette, this. And I do see one of mine up there. Well, that's a lovely surprise. Oh, I did 2 pieces of work for this. My other one was I'll put it in here. It was a picture of something saying this way, that way, another way, no way, or something like that. Anyway, these are all lovely again. And what was the theme for this again? Oh, Destination Unknown. Yeah. Lovely. I love this and this. And then the 3 top ones, this must be salt used here, I think. I never think to use things like that when I'm doing the Scrawler Challenge. Really should. I love this collage. And this is just beautiful, the way it's all melded in together. And then the theme for this month is Head in the Clouds. Okay. So there are all of the supplies that we got in this month's box. I mean, I haven't even done anything. I've got it all over my hands. Shall I do a quick just to see how it works on this paper. Well, I've avoided the Discord group. Well, not the whole group, just the bit that's ScrawlrBox 130, because I didn't want to see what it was until I'd actually got it. But okay, so there's a cloud. So this is not too messy, actually. Not even sure you can probably see it. So that's the charcoal stick. Yeah, ours are not too messy. And then this is the charcoal pan. I'm just going to use this. Oh, this is very messy. Oop. Oh, that looks like a dog. An accidental head in the clouds. Oh, lordy me. I'll leave it, actually. It's pretty cool. Get him in here. Can we get an eye? Well, that's maybe what they meant by accidental things. Oh, I think I might have fun with this. I'm going to close that before it gets everywhere, because it will. A nice little play. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be an interesting one this month. I'm going to have to hunt out my charcoal pencils and see if I can find them. Anyway, worth the wait, especially when you get supplies that you haven't. I mean, I've got charcoal, but I've not got this charcoal. And it's interesting to play with the different textures that you're going to get and the different feeling of it. But I will put a big piece of white paper down to save my desk before I get started on it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.